Welcome back to the Tunity Training for Airports video series. Today, I'll offer some useful tips on how to help your guests get the most out of the Tunity app experience. If a guest has scanned a channel but the audio is not perfectly synced, use the fine-tune buttons at the bottom of the screen to adjust the timing. If the fine-tune bar is closed, open it by tapping the program bar. The fine-tune buttons allow you to adjust the audio sync perfectly with the program by skipping ahead or back. One cool feature of Tunity is that you don't have to commit to one program. You can flip through already scanned channels without rescanning them every time. They'll be saved for the duration of your visit. To use this feature, scan the TV channels you would like to listen to before you sit down. Now tap the Quick Tune button to open the list and choose between the channels. Tunity currently supports about 150 channels. To view the complete, up-to-date list, press the top left menu button and choose Channels. Tunity supports all major national channels and is constantly adding more local broadcasts. Please be patient as your local news or weather may not be supported yet. Please note, Tunity is only available within the US on the US App Store and Google Play Store. International access coming soon. Have other questions? Contact us via the link below.